to win my princey heart, yo. I was a prince, and you do what you want to go there. I was on your cogan, where you live. Come to never know. How can I manage? I need to
My dear beautiful maidens, beautiful and gorgeous maidens. Are you all happy? Yeah! Are you sure? Yeah! Of course I am happy as well. Thank you all for coming, okay? I appreciate your presence from the bottom of my heart. And I must say that you all are very beautiful. Very beautiful. Yes. You see, King Solomon, who was the wisest king, was married to 300 wives and had 700 concubines. So if I decide to toe the line of King Solomon, will I be wrong? No! Of course I will not be wrong, because you all are very beautiful women. You know, I can decide to have 5 on Monday, 5 on Tuesday, 5 on Wednesday, and so on. And then on Sunday, when I decide to rest, I'll have 20 women. But I will not do that, because my father has been married to one woman for many years. So I decided to choose my own woman today. I will throw this ring. Easy, easy. Adita, why are you crying? Why?
My princess, this is not fair. It's not fair at all. I've been working for your parents there. I've been cooking for them even before you traveled. And all you could do was to come back and give another girl the ring. Men not good enough to be your wife. Can't you marry me?
Adita, the ring I threw to them is not the real ring. Here's the real one. And I want to give it to you.
What do you to me?
Because I want to marry you.
What is going on? Huh?
Mother, Adita is the girl I want to marry.
What? Idiot! Idiot! Go and have the king's dinner.
Tell me about it.
I dream of where the prince married me.
And you're laughing. You dreamt of you're the prince married and you're laughing. Please, my dear, it's too late for me to laugh. And don't make me do so. Malaria jiggy, strong one. Take your drug.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
I don't understand. So all this while you've been dreaming to marry the prince. Hey! Wonder shall never end. Like this! Padita, like this.
What do you mean like this? Am I an imbecile? Or am I not a woman? What is wrong with you?
It's not like an imbecile, but not far from it. The prince have not finished marrying all those beautiful girls that like the Shakara in the valley. It's now you. One of the most ugly girls I've ever seen in my life in this village. It will not work. It will not what? It will not work. Think twice.
Chiazogi, if not there is already late there, what I would have done to you today, I would have shown you the other side of me.
If you go here,
I'm not fear.
What did you see now? What is this?
Please, you should allow somebody to sleep now.
But mind yourself. And stop disturbing these people. Don't wake them up from sleep. In Arabic, praise Rory. You didn't dream when the king married you also.
It's okay. Please, I want to sleep.
Don't mind her.
Come and eat well again.
Prince married.
What is wrong with you? Why are you behaving as if you're already married to my son?
King, his love. His love. You and I know how much I love the prince. I love him. I want to take what is rightfully mine and give it to other ladies of this land.
You're talking about loss, my love. That's why you go about fighting other maidens, just because they express their interest in marrying the prince also. Anyway, I said I was going to talk to you about this.
My king, nobody should express intentions. Nobody should. All the maidens in this land knows that the prince belongs to me. What are they expressing intentions for? My king, I'm sorry, it won't work. Oh. It won't work. You've called other maidens so that the prince will select one of them. You have to cancel it, I'm sorry. It won't work.
Me too, I'm sorry. I cannot cancel it. I know you're close to my son, but all you have to do is to go and pray to God about it. If God says both of you will get married, who can stop it? If my son comes back and says it's you he wants to marry, nobody can stop it.
I think it's better I start praying to God. Let me pray. Because I still don't understand what is happening. What is going on here?
Please ask him now. Sit down.
Ma, what is it? You're a woman like me and you know what it is to love somebody. My king knows how much I love the prince. And he wants the prince to select from other ladies when he comes back. You know, the prince and I are very close.
We know. Just calm down. It's okay. Do you know what? What will be will be. Just get up. If God says you and the prince will be together, surely the two of you will be together. So take it easy. Maybe the mother is Charita's mother is not feeling very well. I just want to see her.
Oh, sorry about that. Listen, you get up and go inside and eat some food. Get up.
The maids made something wonderful, so go enjoy yourself.
There's no need for me. Let me just go home. Let me go home. Oh my king, still put it into consideration.
Put it into play.
That's the right thing to do. If I'm not clear about it, it's going to work for you.
My king.
Prayer solves no problems.
Exactly.
I greet you also, great maidens of our land. I must say that when I called for this meeting, little did I know that our land is blessed with an array of beautiful maidens like this. kudos to all of you.
Thank you.
Nevertheless, I am really glad to have all of you here. I called you here because of the disturbing and uncomfortable news that I received about some maidens fighting each other everywhere in the kingdom because of my son, Prince Agozie. It gives me cause for concern. So I called all of you here today to address this concern. My son, Prince Agozie, will return to this land tomorrow.
What?
After several years of sojourn in the United States of America. Truth be told, he has been close to a certain maiden, Mma, for some time now. But I want to set the records straight. Because I do not want you maidens to injure yourselves for the sake of my son. Neither do I want my son to return and say, I do not want to marry a particular maiden. So, my dear maidens, you must desist from fighting each other because of my son, or because of any other man for that matter. Look at yourselves. You are beautiful maidens. You can attract any man in this kingdom as your husband. Doesn't have to be the prince. Nevertheless, I have said that I will give everybody, especially my son, the opportunity of choice. Let him choose his wife by himself. In that case, every one of you has equal opportunity of getting married to the prince. So please, let this be a sound note of warning that you must desist from fighting each other. And I make this decree today. Any maidens found fighting because of the prince, or any other man for that matter, shall be banished from this land. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, you will.
Having said that, you will go back to your various homes and prepare yourselves, both physically and morally, character-wise. Prepare for the return of the prince. Have a lovely day at home and be of good character.
Now who go marry the prince? Opposite to the bum, basket. Who go win the prince? Opposite to the bum, Odonyega. Now who go marry the prince? I want opposite to the bum, basket. I want to marry a prince.
Papa, I won't let it happen. I won't let it happen. Not this time. It will never happen. It won't happen. Mama Matoko.
Nan.
Hey!
Igwe is a very wicked man. Very wicked. He could not even remember the good times, the old time. He didn't even remember the closeness.
Did you just imagine that? Imagine that. Igwe. Igwe. You know, because of this arrangement, we refuse giving our daughter's hand in marriage to any other man. And she has been waiting. Just imagine now. Now, Igwe has declared it open that every maiden can compete for the prince. Now, our daughter who has been waiting all these years after building this love now will now be fighting for the love he has built over the years. How can that one happen now?
He didn't even think of how we used to be. He didn't even think of it at all.
Papa, I won't let it happen. You have to do something. It will not happen, no. It will not happen. Mama, you are here. It won't happen, no.
Nan. It will not happen. I can never take it. Do you know how many years? All the shooters that have been coming here, we've been postponing them, chasing them away like mad dogs. Because of One stupid prince there?
Okay.
Ah, no.
Okay.
Nah, I won't take it.
Don't cry. I will do something.
Come on, do something. Not I will.
And it will end today. It's going to end today.
Start doing it. Not what I will. Do it. People will come to me. They will talk. I will not even answer them. It's not possible. It can't go.
Yeah. Hey. You did Jimba. Welcome. How are you? I am fine. Ida.
You're welcome.
Yes. Good day, sir.
Paul, you mean you are in this town?
Actually, I came back yesterday, so I decided to come and say hi to you people.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
You're
Ma,
welcome.
how are you?
Thunder fire you. May the Holy Ghost fire send madness to you all the days of your life.
What?
What is it? Eh? God, what is it? What have I done to you? Have I not told you to leave me alone? What do you want, Mama Maka? What do you want?
What happened last night? How dare you disrespect her? Don't you ever try it again. Did you hear me? Listen. She is the oldest maiden in this palace. Even though she dreams that she may be married to the prince someday. It's alright if the gods wish it so. You cannot mock anyone for dreaming because, as she told you, it was a dream. She can dream of anything. She can even dream that she's flying on an aeroplane. It's nobody's business. It is her dream. We have right to our dreams. Depending what is crossing our minds or what we want to go or where we want to be, people can have malaria and still be dreaming. You too can dream that you became the Queen of England. It is your dream. You cannot be scolded over your dream. Alright? So you cannot mock her for dreaming. So apologize to her now.
I'm sorry, Padita.
That is not the face to apologize. Apologize to her properly before I smack your face. Am I playing with you?
I'm sorry, Padita.
Padita, it's alright. She's ugly. She didn't make herself ugly. Sister! Oh my God. Mama! Mama!
Her illness is getting worse. She can't even breathe well.
Not so bad. Padita, you can go home and see her. Alright?
Okay, my queen.
It's okay.
Thank you, my queen.
Let me use it.
Okay.
Iko, just carry yourself, your lazy self and your lazy father, and leave my father's compound. I said I will not marry. Is it by force? Mama, leave me alone. Is it by force? Leave me alone now. What if I made you safe?
Ide, is this how you and your family wants to treat us?
Bia, Obenife, you heard her now. Eh? Leave her alone. Is it by force? Look, don't let me have problem with you. What is it? She says she doesn't want. You have to force her.
Ichi, I don't understand. What is wrong in coming to your house to ask your daughter's hand in marriage? Moreover, I've been talking with her and I know her for a very long time. So, what have I done wrong?
You have done everything wrong, Paul. Even your punk is a problem to me. Your punk is wrong. Everything about you is wrong. Is it by force to marry? I have made it clear. I will not marry. You will not hear. Or who are watching it? You don't hear word. You baby. Paul, I beg you in the name of God. Just leave me alone. I'm not in a good mood. Because if I enter you now, you will not like yourself. Leave my father's compound.
Real?
Please. You can see. We are begging in the name of God. Just take your son and leave this compound before you see something.
Lazy fellow.
How?
Are you stupid? You will not like what you will see now. Take your lazy son off this compound.
What?
Yes, you will.
Am I lazy?
Carry your
Am I lazy? This is my car. Does your husband have a car? Do you have a car? Yes. Do you have a car?
You are stupid.
What is it? I'm not lazy.
You are lazy.
Like father, like mother, like daughter. Look at you! Your mate and your husband's house! You are here! Checking your husband's house!
Now it's okay.
You don't. They came to stay at home. They came to set us up.
They cannot
Carry your message son and then go.
Hakuna line eje, hani nechora prince. Hakuna line eje, prince ganumo. Igevukwe.
I am so happy. Like, so happy that Mma can now break the sky. Let me see. Yes, I am waiting.
How will she break the sky? Is she the only one that deserves the prince? Let her cry. I don't care.
Bam.
Come on, guys. I don't even know why we are talking about all this. She caused it. If she wasn't fighting with everyone over the prince, all this wouldn't have happened.
Exactly.
The father even made it worse. Can you imagine him saying we shouldn't greet him yesterday?
Can you imagine?
Please. I don't even want to talk about this. I beg you guys. The prince is already mine.
Osi? Eh? Who is this one?
Come on, guys. You heard me. The prince is mine.
Wait, I want to understand you.
Yeah.
And Nebiko, wait, let me ask you. Is there any other place you're remaining or this thing that I'm seeing? Is there any other place? Please, if I were you, I would simply go and hide myself. Just go there at the corner. Hide yourself. Rubbish.
Regina, the way you go about this, I thought you were never interested in all this.
Exactly, Nem.
Oh yes, I wasn't interested before, but because of the recent happenings, I am now interested. And as the most beautiful girl in Amando community, you girls should respect me for that.
I'll say, we should do what?
You heard what I said?
Yes, I heard you, but the only thing I know I can respect is your rashes. If they use it to sweep the floor, you can sweep the whole entire village. We should wait. Let me tell you. Don't get it twisted, girl. Don't. You won last year because I, Lebechi, did not contest. Check me out now. Check me out. Manchester. Wait, let me tell you. We are contesting for a different thing now. We are contesting for the heart of the prince. Let's see who wins.
Regina. Regina. Don't praise yourself too much. Do you know why? Because not be only you get waiting man the chop. If you look at where it said the size of my own feet past your own nonsense.
Now who got married the prince? Opposite to the bum, basket. Who go win the prince? Opposite to the bum, Odonyega. Now who go marry the prince? I want opposite to the bum, basket. I want to marry a prince.
Sister, we have to take Mama to the hospital. Lolo gave you some money. The money Lolo gave me is not going to be enough. You know, the last time we went to the hospital, the doctor said we should deposit 100,000. Where do we get that kind of money from?
My children, leave me, let me die.
No, Mama. You will not die. You will not die. He said I will go to that palace and take a loan from them. Mama, please just rush and get me back. Will they give you the money? Just go outside. Get for me. Let's take her to the hospital.
What nonsense! What does she think she is? I said it. She's not even up to the girls, up to the slave mamas I do back with in the city. Papa, I say rubbish.
Who does that? Who does that? Papa, do you know that these girls don't look at anyone again? They all want the prince. What is all this? But my son, do not allow that to bother you. We have other beautiful girls in this village. Son, you remember Regina? The girl that won most beautiful girl in Amando 2 years ago. She's around. Even Lebechi, the daughter of J. And other beautiful girls in this village.
You didn't get the point. You didn't get the point now. The point now is that all these girls are not looking at any guy's face again. They all want the prince.
What's this madness about all the whole girls waiting for the prince? Now, everybody lining up for him to come back.
Why is a balance? Village Anya.
Hey, brother, sorry. But I have one guy in my village. Lebechi, you are welcome. How are you? Welcome.
Thank you. Ichi, I came to collect the money. My father sent me to come and collect the money from you.
I am sorry. I was supposed to bring it. Just hold on.
Okay.
Let me get this.
He have shown deep concern. I want to marry a prince. I want to marry a prince.
Please, I don't want my mother to die. Please help me.
Wadita, it's okay, you should not be crying. Your mother will not die, okay?
Wadita, get up. How much did you say you need? Your Majesty, I think you can give her the money. At least she's been nice to us. And she has lived here for a very long time. Let's give her the money.
It's okay. I approved the loan for her.
Okay.
Give her the money. Let's hear what she said. It's okay. That's all right.
Come with me.
It's okay. That's all right.
Nne, I'm telling you, it's going to be hot.
Igwe did well. Instead of others to kill themselves for the sake of the prince.
My dear, stay there. Let's all go and try our luck.
But don't you think it's going to be worse? Because everyone wants to be the one prince will choose.
It doesn't matter. If the prince chooses anyone, the other girls will go home and rest. As for me, the prince is going to choose me.
Hi girls. Welcome.
Thank you. What you can do here? You know go house.
Meaning what? Is this your salon? What is your problem? Babe, why did you attack her like this now?
I don't know. And I don't want to make my hair in peace again. Okay. So everyone wants to fix their hair and look good. Oh yeah, now. It's tomorrow. We will all see to the end.
Nebiko, do and come and make my hair. Let me look beautiful, Biko. Okay then.
Please do my hair very well. I have to be special and extraordinary.
I was a prince and you do what can you well no brother. I was on your cogan where you live. Come to Hakuna line, Chandi Jalunja, Hani Natural Prince, Mandi Marama, Hakuna line, Chandi Jalunja, Prince Ganu.
Okay, I've been here waiting for you since.
This is it. Make sure you rub it all over your body when you sleep, and when you are awake. When you are going to the palace, I repeat, when you are going to the palace, rub it on your face only.
Okay, sir. How much, sir?
3,000 only. And listen, make sure you do what will make the prince touch you. Else.
Okay, don't worry, sir. I will make sure I be the first to get there. Thank you, sir.
I was a prince and you do what can you well no brother. I was on your cogan where you live. Come to the one. Hakuna line, Chandi Jalunja, Hani Natural Prince, Mandi Marama, Hakuna line, Chandi Jalunja, Prince Ganu.
You see, the girl is beautiful. I don't know what you saw in that arrogant daughter of Ichede. I don't know.
Senior bros, Papa is right. If you ask me, I would say you should go to Edochie. She's beautiful. And she's educated too.
If only she will not be waiting for the prince too. Huh. I want you to talk to her first. If you want me, I will talk to the father. We have meeting today in the palace.
Papa, allow him to do the talking, so that he will hear from the horse's mouth. After all, we have beautiful girls in this village that will even rush to his offer.
I wonder, is the prince going to marry all the ladies in this village?
Jukwam. Jukwam.
Well, I'll give it a try. I'll try and see the bitch today. But Papa, if she doesn't give me a good response, I will go back to the city and look for a girl to marry.
You will not marry from the city. You will marry here. Keep talking to them. One of them will agree. If you don't, I will talk to one and bring it for you to marry.
Papa, I get your point. I get your point.
So if I want to marry, you want to talk to a girl for me?
Nine, what to eat now? This food is delicious.
Very, very. My daughter.
Papa.
As an adult, I would like you to give this a second thought. That boy is rich and he's a nice person.
Papa. Papa, please. Biko, this is not what I want to hear. Papa, please tell me my chances with the prince. That's what I want to hear.
How do you even know whether you have a chance with him?
Mama, I did not tell you. The other day that I went to the palace now, Dikeh and the Lolo, they were kind of asking me some questions like if I'm married, if I'm engaged, whether I'm in school, stuff like that now. They asked me. Hey.
My dear, you are my daughter, and I wouldn't want to play with your future. With the way Ini Edo behave today, he's willing to deal with any girl the prince would like to marry, and I wouldn't want that to happen to you. God has buttered their bread by making that guy to fall in love with you. Even before today, the father told me that he would like me to be his in-law.
Hey, that's a nice one. Hey, I wouldn't like us to miss it. Nem, please, you have to consider it too. A bed at hand is worth more than 1 million in the bush. Biko,
Definitely, the prince must marry one girl. if he wouldn't end up testing them, sleeping with them one after the other, at the end, he will marry one girl.
Nah, he might even marry Mma.
Or where?
Both of them have been friends for many years now, and no one knows where the relationship would lead to. No. See what you have to do now. You have to go to Paul. Tell him that you've thought about it, and that you have accepted him as your husband. He will carry you to the city. I will come and visit you people while you are enjoying.
That is what you will do.
You marry him and enjoy.
I wouldn't want to see you tomorrow at the palace.
Huh? No, Papa. That one will be hard now. Why will you say that? So you don't know that if I not go to the palace tomorrow, Mama would think that she has defeated me. Papa, please, I'll go.
Marriage is not about competition. There is no competition in marriage. It's a lifetime something. Let her think whatever she likes. We don't care. Eh? See, you have to cool down. You have to marry what? Marry Paul. Listen to your parents. That is the best thing for you. Forget about whatever they will say or whatever they will
Prince now who go marry the prince? Opposite to the bum basket. Who go win the prince? Opposite to the bum now who go marry the prince? I want opposite to the bum basket. I want to marry a prince. He have shown deep concern. I want to marry a prince. I want to marry a prince. Makanoju esema. Oju gesemo lagano mano. Ochalo love ma. He have shown deep concern. On the good Portuguese, Pancha Potago crazy. Monday water, Monday to Punani Bay. Pancha Napanesi, Onyopona, Petasigo welfare. I want to marry a prince. I want to win my princely heart. I was a prince, and you do what you will not go there. Abusonye koga nuwe ya libe kamjua nekwanwa hakuna line je mandi jolonja ani ne jolo prince mandi maruma hakuna line je mandi jolonja prince ganu prince yo igebuwe ani le bueno prince yo igemewe.
See?
We will end up asking to any of these girls in this village.
I'm telling you exactly.
No! I get the point now. No!
Do you know that my brother went to propose Ma and Ma ended up insulting him? Who does that?
No, brother. You see?
Are you serious?
You see? Do you know that
this can happen to any of us here?
Exactly.
I suggest we plan for him. If he comes back counting sensus on our girls, why don't you stop this plan even before the case comes back? What I am suggesting now is that we will ensure that the prince picks only one woman.
Yes, now.
Then if he feels he wants to use our girls one after the other, one after the other, we strike. Bam!
The great youth of our community.
I greet you. I greet you. Iche, keep the greeting to yourself. You said we should not greet you.
Exactly.
Keep it to yourself.
Obina, why are you deceiving my youth?
I didn't say my youth shouldn't greet me now. I only said you shouldn't greet me there. Let me ask you a question. Have you heard this phrase? No permanent friend, no permanent enemy. That is why this word is not balanced at all. So forget it. That was then, this is now. Now, my youth, I heard all what you both said. Yes, I heard you. Look, don't you think as an old man in this community, I have more experience and I have seen. So, if you allow me, I can give you very good suggestion on how you can actualize this your plan.
Let me get your point. So, what do you think we will do?
Good question. You see, our elders, what a small child who is on top of the Iroko cannot see, the old man who is lying down under the tree can see it. So I've seen this thing, that our prince, he likes beautiful women. And you know we have very beautiful girls. So, if we give him chance, he's going to test them one by one. No. In fact, he's going to do royal room. All of them are yes. So, we need to plan very well. So that if he tries it, so this is what I'm going to do.
Go say to go, I'll charge you the one. Obadaya Saloko, Igwe Inokaya. Go say to go, I'll charge you go. Prince Yago Trophy. Now who go marry the prince? Opposite to the bum, basket. Who go win the prince? Opposite to the bum, Odonyega. Now who go marry the prince? I want opposite to the bum, basket. I want to marry a prince.
Where did you send Ima to the stream? So just look at the time.
No, there was no water for her to bathe. She has to go and fetch water.
No, I don't like this at all. I don't like this. Today is today. One thing must happen today. Yes.
Nah, it's okay. Take it. Oh, see her. She's over here. I'm ready to go. Come help me.
What were you doing at the stream since now? I told you that we need to be there early. Because his flight is this morning.
Nani, it's okay. Go and let me just go in and take my bath. I'll be out soon. Nani, please, I'm begging you. Now that you are going, please. I want you to take things very, very easy. Remember what you told me yesterday. I wouldn't want you to go there and start having issue with Igwe. Or both of you start quarreling. Please, it's not do or die affair. Big up. I remember the dream I had last night. I don't want this position to be taken away from you.
He dares not try that. He dares not take that position from me. If he just let the prince return and let him disappoint me and my daughter, then I will do something in this village. And what I will do, look, the whole of the village will run. Everybody will run from this village.
I'm saying my own now. That is easy. That is very easy.
I'm going.
I'm telling you now.
You can come behind.
I'm saying my own.
You guys should come behind.
They just want to know who's not the king of this kingdom. Take it easy. Okay, Nidi.
Now who go marry the prince? Opposite to the bum, basket. Who go win the prince? Opposite to the bum, Odonyega. Now who go marry the prince? I want opposite to the bum, basket. I want to marry a prince.
This girl now.
He have shown deep concern. I want to marry a prince. I want to marry a prince. He have shown deep concern.
Papa, you have here 1 in a million daughter.
Oh yes. Just carbon copy of your mother. This was how your mother looked then when I worked for her.
Confirm.
Obinaka, I'm joking again.
Yes.
How many girls in this village have an iPhone?
No. Phones now have eyes. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Take me a picture, please.
So the eye will look at me too.
Let me take you.
Take the other one yourself. Let me take this side.
Papa, see, let me tell you. Yeah? If the prince fails to choose your daughter here, Regina, then he does not have eyes. After seeing this, what are you?
He doesn't have a choice.
I don't know, but all I know is that my daughter is good looking for any sensible man to admire. We need to be going now. Regina, let's be going now before I want us to be the first.
Okay, Papa,
let's be the first. Please, let's go.
Obina,
take care. Now, we must be the first to be there.
Take your phone. Why you?
Don't forget that phone.
Hey, look here. Easy. Hey, how? Igwe, you now have a new in-law. I am coming. Just look at it. Oh, my dear sister.
My dear, I'm going out now. It will end to the quarter. Don't forget to give Paul your feedback today, as I said.
I am here. I will make sure she do it.
Papa,
yeah?
Papa, I will do it.
Oh.
But Papa, seriously, I'm not happy.
Why?
I'm not happy at all. Other girls might think that I'm scared of them. But meanwhile, Papa, what if the prince wants me? What do I do?
When other beautiful girls are there, are you dreaming? Lebeshi, take the one God has given to you before you start dragging it to other people. We didn't get in here ago. Oh. Wake up, oh. Wake up.
I would not like us to have issue on this. Forget about Prince and anything in connection with him. Even if he comes back for you, I will not allow you to go.
Bam!
Hey, Mama, why now? Why do you talk like this?
You are asking me why? The competition is too high. No. Can you survive it? Ichie and his daughter, they are ready to give it hot to whoever that Prince Agozie is willing to marry or about to marry. See, I would not like you to have any pressure in your marriage. Apart from Paul, please marry him and have rest. It's a lifetime something.
Your mother has said it all. Listen to her.
He has shown deep concern. On the good Portuguese, Pancha Potago crazy. Mandi Puata, Mandi Tupunani, Pancha Napanesi.
My dear, something must happen at the palace.
After to do all of them that came back from the city, they will go back.
Oh, yes?
I'm not your name. Oh, yeah, came back and here. We'll go back. This saves you, right? Shall you go back home now? Go back where? Me go back where?
Hey, my dear,
Can't you see? Now that your shoe has caught, it's a very good sign for you to go back.
Serious sign, you there?
So you want to use this opportunity to laugh at me, Abi? Anyway, I must get to the palace. Whether I like it or not, I must get to the palace. You can't go to. Why are you stressing yourself? Really? This is serious. No, stop now.
Igwe, today is the day. Today is the day. Chief Ide, let me just come closer to you. Yes, let me come closer to you. Because you know you have to leave my position. I don't want to. No, I'm very happy today. She's on her way. It's a good day.
Your Majesty.
Oh, she's on her way. She's coming.
Something happened so exciting.
Yes.
I can't believe this is going to be over today.
But I pray that no, but I trust it. I mean, not with all what you share about it. Until it comes to until it comes.
On the good Portuguese, Fanja Potagoes, Mandi Quata, Mandi Tupunani, Fanja Nabanesi, Onyopona, Petasigo Welfare. I want to marry a prince. I want to win my princely heart.
Headsman! 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 Headsman!
Happened to the prince. I pity for him. So this is why we have been killing ourselves. Hey!
See now, I lost my iPhone and my handbag. What kind of thing is all this now? I can't even take selfie again. See what my brother and my father have put me into now.
Now what's wrong? What's wrong with you? I don't know.
I think I have to go home. Edna, I have to go home. Edna, Regina, I don't think Edna is okay. You, this girl, what is your problem? Did you hear that I just lost my phone at the palace?
Hey, go to the palace and look for your phone now.
So that the prince will eat me raw, Abby?
Hey, God. Hey, Edna. Edna. Regina, I don't think Edna is okay.
The fastest. Wait for me now. Wait for you where?
What was that? Hey, what was that?
What would have made the prince wrong?
I don't know. What else if it's not weed?
Weed?
Weed.
Hey. So you mean I left the city, coming back to this village because of a mad prince, eh?
Look at me now. Look at me. See my shoe. My expensive shoe just caught because of this nonsense.
Ella, you're a fool.
Oh, are you still there?
Bye-bye.
Hey!
What is wrong with you? Wait, oh! What is that? Stop it! What is wrong with you? I'll confess. Stop it, what is it? I'll confess. Confess what? Confess, oh. Hey, Nkiru. What is wrong with you? Please help me. What is wrong with you? Say something. What is it? Nkiru. Wait. Stop it. What is it? Say something now. What is it? Nkiru. What is it? Nkiru. Say something now. What's wrong with you? I will confess. I have to confess. Now what is it? I don't know. She's been scratching her body. She's almost running mad. Choma. Ella. What is it now? Ella. I will confess. I have a confession. Confess what? I met one man that gave me a charm. Charm? To enable the prince to love me. Yes. Yes. The man said once the prince touches me, the prince will be mine forever. You people saw everything that happened now. You saw everything. You see the prince came back almost mad. I need to touch the prince. If I touch the prince, I will be well. But now I can't touch him because we are almost running mad together. Hey! Please, somebody should help me. Take me to the prince. My God! Because Jesus, Edna. So you took this thing so serious to extent of going to college charm. Hey! You're so desperate! So desperate indeed. What? Please, Ella, Choma, you need to help me. You need to help me so that I'll touch the prince. Once I touch him, I will be okay. Please now. Nkiru, please, help me. Hey, Edna! Edna! I can't believe this. I can't help you. I'm not wrong. See, I'm going. Please now. I'm going. Ella, come back. Ella, don't leave me, please now. See, you better go to the palace and report. Go and confess to them. Go and confess to them. Maybe I don't even know if the prince will, the king will listen to you. Choma, scared. Are you still here? You know. Choma, don't go. I'm scared. This thing will Choma, come. Choma, come. Choma, come now. Choma. Yes, but you took this thing so serious. Okay. So if the prince did not run mad, you'd have charmed him. Nkiru, you're so desperate. Nkiru, please come back. Hey, this one, all of them have abandoned me. Oh, who will I run to? Amaka, yes. Amaka will not disappoint me. Yes. Amaka, yes. Oh! Yeah!
Who did this to my son? What did I ever do to deserve this? I'm finished. Oh!
I am not going to take this. Never! I'm not going to take this. I must find out the root cause of this. Lolo, hold yourself. Hold yourself. I must get to the root of this.
It's okay.
Just
It's okay. I think I should start from now. My uncle is real. There's nothing I'll do here. It's better I go to my father's house. I can't do that. Is I go say you're leaving? Is I go say you're leaving? Is I go say you're leaving? Is the prince? Hey!
This is an abomination. Abomination. I wonder who could have done this to our prince. For we do not know him to be someone who smokes weed at all. So what is happening?
Elders of our land,
let us not abandon the king in
What do you think we can do? The man who has been fighting us because of the prince has left with his daughter and you want me to stay. That is to say you want the mad prince to break our heads. Huh?
Dikeh, I feel for him. But let me ask this question. Where are those girls that have been fighting over the prince? Where are they?
My daughter cannot wait to hear this news. And so let me go home and break this news. You know where I'm going now. And yet you walk or you going to.
I think I can join you people.
Join me what? To where?
No, because
where? Or you can go and wait. Let's go. No, but you know you are my in-law. You. My friend, keep quiet.
Remember your
go
son.
You are not going with me. I want to go.
I'm ready to give her to you now.
Bye bye. My son will marry her. Oh man, why?
No, you don't want it. Good thing.
You and your daughter go and marry the mad prince.
My daughter, you know she has all the
parents. Mad prince. Why they have one year? Yes. The Amukunu General Mad Prince. I've not seen this man. I don't even trust this man. I don't trust
My fear now is that could it be that Chief Ide did something after we discussed that day?
Are you the one saying this? Are you the one saying this? Wait, don't you know that this life is not balanced at all? Okay, if you're the one saying this, how come the prince run mad?
It's better we tell the elders what this man say he will do to the prince.
Look at that! Who does that? Trying to say, but he didn't say that he's going to make him mad. He only said that if he didn't marry his daughter, that he's going to do something that anybody that hears it will wrong.
You get the point now. You get the point. Let me tell you, if Mazi didn't say what he said, then how come our prince run mad? I'm driving.
That is the point.
You get the point now.
See, I doubt that this man will make the prince mad when he's not yet back. My only fear is that let nobody call me when this matter gets up. We only plan to wear mask and beat the prince. Chikina.
Okay, fine. If I ask you one question now, will you get my point? Will you?
Yes.
I will. Let me ask you. If nothing happens, how come our prince run mad? You get the point.
I get the point.
Who does that? After talking, someone runs mad. Who does that?
Hi. Now I get the point.
Allah Bakwano prince.
Mad.
Allah.
What happened? Who did this to you? What happened to you? Talk to me. Agosi, please talk to your mother, please. What happened? Agosi, nah. What happened to you? Huh? Who? Agosi, please, now. Huh? He said food. He said he wants to eat.
Lovina! Lovina! Let me get something to eat.
My ancestors, who have I offended? What have I done wrong to deserve this? My only son.
So my enemies have finally triumphed over me. God, help me to come over this one. Help me to come over this one. Help me to escape this one.
My king, my queen, this is not the right time to cry. Let's just think of what to do first. It's not the time to cry.
What are you thinking? We should think of what to do like this? I apprehend to the throne of this land is like this, man. And you said we should. My enemies are finally conquered. They are laughing in my face. They are laughing into my face.
Nothing will happen to him.
Agozie, we have to go inside now. Just come and sleep small. Yeah? Let me take him inside to sleep.
No, Padita, you have to be careful. Okay? Is it not better to leave him here, let the doctors come?
I'll try.